this is an area that's interesting to me because I think Europe has taken a much more proactive approach. I mean, the idea that you talk about digital competencies and the importance that's being placed uh, on it, on the idea of digital competencies is something that I wish we had something like that in North America. We talk about, in North America, we're more likely to use a term like digital literacies. And I don't have so much of a problem with the term, but I guess to finally get around to answering your question, the thing I find a little frustrating about digital literacies is that we kind of use that term digital to just kind of put it off to the side. And for example, I don't know how often this term gets used in Europe, but in North America, we hear a lot about the term digital humanities. And it kind of surprises me that, you know, more than 20 years into the advent of digital technologies, that we still have to put digital in front of it. Like, at this point, isn't the culture that happens to take place in digital medium, isn't that part of our culture now? And isn't that part of what the humanities should be about? So the fact that we still segregate digital research and digital practice so strongly concerns me. So to get to your question, I suppose I do tend temperamentally to wishing to just see it be integrated across the curriculum. I've had people in North America respond to, you know, my hopes for kind of higher degree of kind of applied digital skills in our courses. People will say things like, well, they can take a media studies course if they want to learn that, or they can become computer scientists. And that to me strikes me as exactly the wrong way around, because that just effectively ensures that huge parts of our practice isn't going to be, well, to use the North American term, literate in these domains. So I for that reason alone, and again, knowing that I'm only very, very slightly knowledgeable about the European context of digital competencies, but with that proviso, I still tend to kind of lean towards seeing an integrated approach across all our disciplines, because I think all our disciplines need to bring something to that inquiry.